Hello students, hope you all are fine, enjoying at home and studying well. So today we are going to continue with the exercise 12.1 which we have started in the last class. Profit loss. And we have done up to 7. Today we will start from question number 8. See, question number 8 is Rahul would incur a loss of 10% by selling a watch for 2,700. Means if he sells the watch at this price, there would be loss of 10%. So what price should he sell so that he would make a profit of 15%? So in this type of problem, one SP is given at a loss of 10% and another SP at a profit of 15% is required. So what will you do? You will first find the, you will first find the CP. So how to find the CP? As we have done before, let CP be rupees 100, okay, and loss is 10%. So loss will be what? 10% of 100, that is rupees 10. So if CP is 100, then what is SP? CP minus loss means 100 minus 10, that is rupees 90. So when SP is 90, CP is rupees 100. So when SP is rupees 2,700, CP will be what? 100 into 2,700 by 90. That is rupees 3,000. So actual CP is rupees 3,000. Now they want to sell it at a profit of 15%. So what should be the profit required? 15% of 3,000. This comes to be rupees 450. So there should be a profit of 450. So what should be the selling price? So selling price formula you know, CP plus profit, that is 3,000 plus 450, and this will give rupees 5,000. Sorry, 3,450. This is what? The total SP. Finally, the article should be sold at a price of this price, that is rupees 3,450 for a profit of 15%. Okay students, now come to question number 10. Raman bought a TV for 4,200 and spent 600 on repairing and 200 on transport charges. For how much should he sell it to make a profit of 5%? Very simple. First we will find the total CP. See, CP is 3 parts. One is 4,200 plus 600 plus 200. Okay, because all these expenses are recurring to the cost. So this will come to be 5,000. So total CP is, if we add these 3 numbers, we are getting 5%. And profit is how much? 5%. Profit is also required 5%. So what is the actual profit? 5% of 5,000. And this will give rupees 250. So now what is the formula of SP? SP is what? CP plus loss. Sorry, profit. CP plus profit. So what is the CP? 5,000 plus 250. And this will give how much? Rupees 5,250. Rupees 5,250. This is the actual total CP, SP. Okay. So he should sell the TV at rupees 5,250 to get a profit of 5%. Okay. Now come to question number 12. Preeti bought a table for rupees 25,000 and spent some amount to get it polished. That polishing cost you have to find out. And she sold it for rupees 36,000, making a profit of 25%. So you have to find what is the polish cost. Okay. So total CP is equal to rupees 4,200. Sorry. Total SP is equal to rupees 36,000. Okay. Total SP is how much? This sum we are doing. Question number 12. So total SP is rupees 36,000. So let us start in the same manner. How to find, as we have done in finding the CP from SP. So let CP be rupees 100. Profit is 25% of 100. So profit will be what? 25% of 100. That is rupees 25. Okay. So from here we can find the SP. So what is SP? CP plus profit, 100 plus 25, that is rupees 120. 25. Okay. So now, when SP is rupees 125, CP is 100. So when SP is 36,000, CP will be 100 into 36,000 by 125. On calculation, this will give 28,800. Now, she bought the TV table for 25,000, but here total CP is coming 28,800. It means that the amount spent on polishing will be what? The difference means 28800 minus 25,000. Okay, that is rupees 3,800. And now we are going to the last sum, question number 14. Meena bought 6 dozen tables. 6 dozen tables. Okay, you know 1 dozen is 12. So 6 into 12, 72. And spent rupees 6,000 on polishing, this much on transportation. At what price should we sell the table? So first of all, what we will do, we will find the total CP. Okay, total CP is what? 72,000 is the price of one table, 1 dozen table, and she has bought 6 dozen. So total CP will be just the product 432,000, 4,32,000. This is what? The CP of the tables. Now she has incurred some other expenses like polishing, transportation. These expenses also you have to add with the cost. So on adding all these expenses, so we are getting total CP as well, 440640. So total CP will be 440640. This is what? Total CP. Profit is how much? Profit is 20%. So actual profit will be what? 20% of 44640, and this will give how much? Rupees 88,128. Okay. So now CP of all the tables will be, so SP of all the tables will be what? CP plus profit, that is 440640 plus this, and adding you will get 528768. Now this is the total selling price, but they have asked the selling price of one table. So what we will do? How much tables we are selling? Excuse me. So we are selling 72 tables. Okay. So therefore CP of each table will be what? So we are selling here 72 tables. So CP of each table just to divide. Okay. And on dividing you will get rupees 7344. Do the remaining sum and we'll start the next session in the next class.